and welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I am gonna make a recipe of mango ice cream. It's an easy and very normal, simple recipe, guys. Before of mango ice cream, the recipe is that, guys. Before starting the recipe, I'm gonna tell you 3 steps that you have to definitely follow. Subscribe to my channel, like it and share it too with your family and friends, guys. So guys, by the way, guys, let's get started on the recipe. My mom will help me too, like by baking or something. Okay, so guys, first I have to just pour some milk and open the fire. Then 2 tablespoons of sugar, spoon of baking. Sorry guys, I mean that 2 cup sugars and half tablespoon of baking soda. 2 half tablespoon of baking soda. Then keep mixing it up, guys. You can see the color. It's green. It's going to be green as it will be full green, guys, of condensed milk. Then we have to pour it to the next recipe, guys. So guys, as I was telling you that now my condensed milk is almost ready. And guys, now before I was making the recipe, I poured some cream into the condensed milk. Before it was being the condensed milk, I poured the cream. Okay, so you have to also pour the cream. So now as it was almost done, I think after that it will be almost done. You can take it out and move to your next recipe. So guys, now first we are gonna pour some cream into the bowl, a half. Okay, let's pour. Okay guys, now I am gonna beat the cream with this mixture. So let's start beating. So guys, I have mixed the cream. Now the cream is double. So now I am gonna pour some condensed milk in the cream. 5 spoons. 1. So guys, now second spoon. So guys, now I will beat it again. Guys, I am beating it again. You can see. Guys, now I am gonna pour some mango in the condensed milk. Here it goes. Okay, it's pouring, and here it's empty. Okay. So here, guys, I have poured all the mango into the condensed milk. Now I am gonna mix again. So guys, now our mango ice cream is ready. Now I am closing the caps here and in the jar. So here, guys, our mango ice cream is ready. Now we are going to make our chocolate ice cream. So guys, so I have put half mango that I left. I have put it in the bowl. Now I am going to put it all in the freezer. So guys, now I am making chocolate ice cream. So guys, now I am mixing it again with the cream, just like before. Guys, now I am putting the condensed milk into the cream. Here. Now I am mixing again the condensed milk and the cream. Now it's mixing into double. So guys, now I am putting 2 spoons of cocoa powder into the condensed milk. Here's the second spoon. Here, done. Guys, now I am mixing the cocoa powder and the condensed milk. Now our chocolate ice cream is ready too. So let's close the caps. Here, guys, done. Now yes, our ice cream is ready. Let me show you the final shape. pause, or